Welcome to today's first video blogcast dedicated to healthcare, The Pulse on Healthcare. I'm Rick Bird, your host, Healthcare Vertical Manager at BlueStar. Today we'll be visiting with Andy Tippett from Zebra Technologies, recapping HIMSS 2015. Hello Andy, thanks for joining us today. So tell me, what was your overall impression of HIMSS in your hometown, Chicago?
Hi, I'm Andy Tippett. I am the Vertical Marketing Lead in North America for Zebra Technologies, and wanted to spend a little time today talking about my HIMSS experience. When Zebra comes to HIMSS, we are really trying to do three critical things. First and foremost amongst those is to interact and to educate both ourselves and end user healthcare providers about Zebra's solution sets. Obviously, that's the most important thing that goes on at HIMSS, and the interactions at HIMSS are amazing. We had over 200 individuals come to our booth to learn about Zebra, and of course, in every one of those conversations, Zebra learns a great deal too. That's number one, is the healthcare provider piece. Number two is, at an event with over 500 additional vendors, including Zebra, we also have the chance to interact with those partners as well. Most of those groups are our partners. Companies that specialize in everything from EHR providing to telecommunications to other software systems that are resident throughout the healthcare continuum. We have the chance to interact and again educate ourselves with all of that partner community. And finally, it is an excellent format to learn about new trends, about new things that are going on in the market. Not just the information from healthcare providers or healthcare partners, but also looking out maybe 3, maybe 5 years out. We're talking about things like, what are the impacts of the Internet of Things going to have on healthcare? How about the impact of locationing with all of the things that we can do today on that? And analytics. Analytics is a very critical piece of the future of healthcare, and HIMSS is really important to do that. So meetings with healthcare providers, meetings with all kinds of other partners, and learning about all of the trends, the macro trends in the healthcare market. Those are the primary reasons that we really enjoyed our HIMSS experience this year in 2015 and all the previous years, and we look forward to being at HIMSS in 2016 in March.
That's great, Andy. And tell us again why a reseller would want to attend or even display at this particular show.
I think the one critical area is that HIMSS attracts a very informed, a very high quality healthcare provider. You literally put yourself in a position to have these meaningful conversations with those healthcare providers. And I think that would be the number one critical reason for a partner to come. It's the number one reason that we ourselves attend the show.
Andy, one of this year's displays was the Intelligent Hospital. Can you tell us a little bit about the Intelligent Hospital and Zebra's role in that particular area?
For the last 3 years, we have been participants in something called the Intelligent Healthcare Pavilion. I think that's an excellent venue. The Intelligent Healthcare Pavilion literally sets up, you call it maybe a faux hospital, it almost looks like a real one to me, and then showcases the latest technology, not in the settings of seeing it in a booth, not in the settings of seeing it on a workstation computer, but literally in the settings of where you can touch and feel it. Their operating room looks like a true surgical theater. Their labor and delivery literally had an actor in a bed, not with a real baby, but nevertheless it sure felt real too. So the Intelligent Healthcare Pavilion, I think, is an interesting attraction to see.
For more information on today's show, please visit our website at BlueStarInc.com or contact me directly at rbird@BlueStarInc.com. Thanks again. We look forward to seeing you next time on The Pulse on Healthcare.